This video explains how to buy shares of MPH Health Care AG, a German healthcare company trading on Xetra under the ticker 93M1.de with a practical broker demonstration. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. And after registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 93M1.de to locate MPH Health Care AG and select the matching Xetra listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart. To confirm, it is MPH Health Care AG with exchange Xetra and ticker 93M1.de. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase. Carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio after execution. Check it there and monitor your holdings, and find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.